So here we are arriving at Great Valley Cabins. You could have paused that if you want to see the phone number, but I have some more information at the very end. And that's our cabin. I believe it's cabin number 2. We just got off of Route 6 in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. Those are some other cabins in the area in the background there. So this is our cabin right here, cabin number 2. At this point, we were trying to figure out where to park because we didn't want to park on the grass. And we found out later that you don't park on the grass. You park on the gravel road. Right, honey?
That is correct.
All right, so again, that's Route 6. That's looking from the cabin towards the road. And then we're going to turn around and look at the cabin itself. And I want to apologize. My wife gave me a brand new gimbal that I was trying to still figure out for. She gave it to us for our anniversary. And you're going to see that things are a little crooked. I was very impressed because this walkway is brand new. And I think the cabin itself is brand new as well. It's very well built. And there I am. I'm going to say hello there. Hello. And here's the front porch. Those are Adirondack chairs, right?
That is correct. We
didn't get to use it because it was a little chilly. It was September, and it was our anniversary. This is us spending our anniversary here. And again, that's the front porch. We go inside. There's my baby right there. Hello. And real quick, that sofa I didn't mention before, or I haven't mentioned. This sofa is a sofa bed, queen size sofa bed. Has a TV. I had some trouble turning on the lights, so I had to play with the switches a little bit, but just be patient. When you hit a switch, give it a couple of seconds, things will start working. That's the air conditioner and the heat, and it had very high ceilings, very clean, very nice, and that door is weird. I don't know why that door's up there, but I think that's how they get to the attic. There's a combination. It's a combination lock. They will let you know what the combination is when you make your reservation. And back there's a lot of great information regarding restaurants in the area, maps. Anything else?
That's pretty much about it.
All right, cool. So that's a quick view of the room right here. So we're going to look at some more details. Cabin number 2. This notebook has a lot of great information. Again, information on how to leave the cabin, information about the area, also Wi-Fi we'll talk about in a minute. This was the first bedroom. And again, queen size bed. That's facing Route 6, the front. And again, very clean. Nice little chair there. That's a luggage rack. And by the way, I'll mention later on, there are no closets. There are no dressers. Fan, ceiling fan with lighting. And that's room number 1. This is room number 2. That's the room we slept in towards the back. And by the way, you notice the blinds, you could see outside, but people cannot see inside, which is pretty cool. However, if you're going to sleep in, you may not sleep in because it's very bright in the mornings. Just to let you know that. Again, you can see out, but people cannot see in. That's a little area back there where you could barbecue, you can grill. It has a place for 2 charcoal grills. There's your panel. That little lamp on the side also turns on. Nice little night table. And again, the scary chair looking at the bed. I don't know. I just found that a little weird. But anyway. And yes, a mirror in case you want to hook yourself up. Then my baby was checking out the information. A lot of great information in that book. What's this called? Linen closet.
It's the linen closet.
Also, no ironing board. No iron. Just to let you know. No hangers. No clothing closet. Also, the bathroom, very simple bathroom, sink, bathtub, toilet. You do need to bring your own bar soap and your own shampoo and conditioner. We bought our own towels just because that's the way we are. But they have plenty of towels, as you saw in that closet. Again, very simple, very basic bathroom, but again, very clean. Did have a hair dryer for those of us that need hair dryers. And then we're going to head over to the kitchen now. In the kitchen, very well equipped. We have plenty of bowls, plates, cups, mugs, you name it. It was in there. Those, by the way, those plates and bowls are microwave safe and oven safe. It says on the bottom. That was pretty cool. That's a hot plate, of 4-slice toaster. You have plenty of utensils in there as well, just above that. And let's see. I spent a little more time there. cleaning products.
That was the dish rack for the dishes.
Dish rack. The stove, by the way, the stove and oven is gas. I like that. That was very nice. Those pots and pans right there, they are all cast iron. Cast iron skillets is awesome. They also have a teapot in there as well. Again, well, somebody left foam plates if you wanted to use foam plates. The microwave there also worked very well. Again, very well equipped, very clean. Everything was very nice, very comfortable room. There we have some more stuff: paper towels, coffee filters. You do need to bring your own condiments as well. Salt, pepper, ketchup, things like that. If you want that, there are no condiments. So you may want to bring some. We had some yummy scrambled eggs with ham, but no condiments.
The butter and salt.
Yeah. Again, quick review of the... Oh, there goes the microwave of the kitchen. There's the coffee maker. And full-size fridge as well as freezer. All right. So that's the review of the kitchen. By the way, the lighting in the room itself, I call it cozy romantic.
Yes.
Cozy romantic. Not very bright at all. So just to let you know, it is a little dim in there, but it was very nice. The TV. I did a quick slice there just to let you know that to find the remote, it's right there. The remote for the TV, for the cable, and also for the fans. That heater we saw above the fridge, the air conditioner, it's up there. Also, for the Wi-Fi, you look for the Wi-Fi password. I'm going to cover it because I don't want you to see it, but the Wi-Fi code is there. It's a little tricky, which is good, but when you pull it up on your phone, you're going to connect to this one right here, ARIS34D2. That's the one you're going to connect to make sure you have the right Wi-Fi. By the way, the Wi-Fi is not the strongest, but it does the trick. Okay, so again, there's the Wi-Fi information. And a few things to keep in mind, as I mentioned earlier.